Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. I'm Steve, your English coach. And this is episode 3 of our series, The Best Way to Speak English. So far, we've learned 2 powerful lessons. Episode 1, Stop Studying, Start Speaking. Episode 2, Think in English, not in your language. And today's lesson is one that completely changes how your English sounds. It's called Repeat Like a Parrot.
Repeat like a parrot? That sounds funny.
It does. But it's actually one of the most effective speaking techniques in the world. It's called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing like a shadow.
Exactly. When you shadow someone, you copy what they say immediately, like their shadow. It's how babies learn to talk. They imitate sounds before they understand the words.
So, I should copy native speakers?
Yes, not just the words, but also the intonation, rhythm, and emotion. Because real English is not only what you say, it's how you say it. Part 1. Why shadowing works. Let me explain why this method works so well. When you shadow, your brain and mouth work together at high speed. You're training your pronunciation, your listening, and your confidence all at once. Think of it like singing a song. You don't study each word of the lyrics. You sing them again and again until they feel natural. That's how shadowing makes English automatic.
So it's like muscle memory for my tongue and mouth.
Exactly. When you hear and repeat simultaneously, you build what I call mouth reflexes. And the more you shadow, the more fluent you become, even without studying grammar. Part 2. How to do it. Step by step. Okay, let's get practical. Here's how to use the shadowing technique, step by step. Step 1. Choose a short clip, maybe from a YouTube video, podcast, or series. Just 10 to 20 seconds is enough. Step 2. Listen once carefully. Don't repeat yet. Just listen to the rhythm, emotion, and melody of the voice. Step 3. Now play it again and repeat at the same time. Don't worry if you miss a few words. The goal is to follow the rhythm, not to be perfect. Step 4. Repeat the same clip 3 or 4 times. Each time you'll sound closer and closer to the original.
That sounds fun. Can we try a little example together?
Sure. Let's use a short, real-life sentence. Listen first. What's up, guys? Now, repeat with me. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Nice. Again, faster this time. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Perfect. Now another one. That's awesome.
That's awesome.
One more. I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Great job. That's shadowing. Part 3. Sound, not meaning.
But, Steve, sometimes I don't understand everything the speaker says.
That's fine. You don't have to. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your ears and mouth to move like a native speaker. When you were a baby, you didn't understand your parents' words, but you repeated their sounds. And that's how you learned to speak your first language.
Oh, that's interesting. So I can shadow even if I don't understand 100%.
Exactly. Because your brain learns the sound patterns first, and the meaning will follow naturally. Think of English like a song. You can sing it before you understand every lyric. Part 4. Imitate the music of English. English is a musical language. It goes up and down like waves. Listen to how I say this. I didn't say he stole the money. Now listen again, but focus on the rhythm. I didn't say he stole the money.
Wow, it's like there's a melody inside the sentence.
Exactly. And that melody is what makes your English sound natural and emotional. Shadowing trains you to copy that melody automatically. Let's try another one. Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Perfect. Notice how your voice goes up at the end. That's real English.
I like that. It feels alive.
That's the point. English is not flat. It's expressive. Part 5. Everyday Practice Plan. Here's your daily shadowing plan. It takes only 10 minutes a day. Step 1. Choose a clip you like. It can be a podcast, a movie scene, or even a YouTube vlog. Step 2. Play 10 seconds. Listen carefully. Step 3. Replay and repeat out loud. Step 4. Repeat again until you can copy both words and tone.
So I can shadow anything, even songs.
Absolutely. Songs are great for rhythm. Series like Friends or The Office are perfect too. Short dialogues, full of emotion.
What if I can't keep up with the speed?
Then slow it down. Most apps like YouTube or Spotify allow you to reduce the speed to 0.75x. Start slow, then increase as you improve.
That's smart.
Yes. And here's another trick. Record your own version after shadowing. Compare it to the original. You'll be amazed by your progress after 1 week. Part 6. Pronunciation and Confidence.
I always feel shy about my accent.
Don't worry about your accent. Focus on your clarity. When you shadow, you don't try to sound British or American. You try to sound clear and confident. Shadowing gives you that natural confidence because you stop thinking about pronunciation and start feeling it.
So it's about rhythm, not perfection.
Exactly. The rhythm of English is what makes you sound fluent. Native speakers will immediately notice the difference. Let me show you two examples. Listen. I am going to the store. Sounds robotic. Now shadow the real version. I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
Perfect. See how it flows naturally. That's fluency. Part 7. The magic of repetition. You know what's funny, Maya? The more you repeat, the less you think. And when you stop thinking, you start speaking fluently.
So repetition removes fear.
Exactly. It creates comfort. When you've said something 50 times, it's impossible to be afraid of saying it again. That's why shadowing is powerful. It rewires your brain to speak without fear. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we finish, let's go through 3 common mistakes learners make with shadowing. Mistake 1. Trying to repeat too much at once. Keep it short. 10 seconds is enough. Mistake 2. Speaking too quietly. You must feel the sounds. Speak loud, clear, and with energy. Mistake 3. Focusing only on words. Listen to emotion, tone, and pauses. That's where real English lives.
So it's not about repeating like a robot, it's about copying the feeling.
Exactly. Don't copy the grammar. Copy the energy. Part 9. Shadowing in daily life. You can use shadowing everywhere. While cooking, repeat after a podcast. While walking, mimic what you hear on YouTube. Even while watching a movie, whisper the lines. After a few weeks, you'll start noticing something amazing. Your mouth will move automatically when you hear English.
That sounds like magic.
It is. Because your brain and tongue finally start working together in English. Part 10. The final mindset. So, Maya, what's your biggest lesson from today?
That shadowing is not about studying, it's about feeling English. It's about copying sound, rhythm, and emotion until they become natural.
Perfect. And remember this line: fluency begins when imitation becomes intuition. That's the secret of shadowing.
That's beautiful. So I'll pick one short clip every day and shadow it until it sounds natural.
Exactly. And after a month, you'll sound more natural than ever.
Thank you, Steve. I feel more confident already.
You're welcome. And to everyone listening, remember, don't just study English. Don't just read English. Feel it. Hear it. Copy it. Repeat like a parrot. And one day, you'll speak like a native. See you in the next episode, where we'll talk about how to speak every day, even if you have no one to talk to.
That's perfect for me. See you soon.
See you soon, everyone, and keep repeating.